Hey y'all, guess what? On today, this October 14th, 2021, I will have live right here on 45 Trump News, 1945. I will have with me my amazing sister and yours. She's blessing us, y'all, once again to bring you what she has researched. All the hours, days, all of that. AKA bringing you the facts. And here to answer any questions that you might have. She's an auntie of a celebrity we all know and adore. Hint, hint. She's definitely a truth seeker. And she's a lover of the Most High. And most importantly, she proclaims victory because she is a child of the King. She is the one and only Antoinette Byram. And she'll be right here today, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, right here. Y'all, I'm excited. So bring your questions and any thoughts that you may have. Remember, there is no dumb, stupid question. So anything you might have wanted to know, she or I will be able to assist you. I'm looking forward to you meeting me right here today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to sit, as they say, and bust it up with our sister, my sister and yours, Antoinette Byram. I love you guys.